In this video, I'll show you how to change your Riot email without the email. So you generally cannot safely change your Riot email without accessing the old email, unless you go through the Riot account recovery or support. So normally there are many methods to do so, or to change your email without the email. The first option or the first method is to use the Riot account recovery tool. So all you need to do, just go to Riot support, open any like browser that you have, and all you need to do, just go and type Riot support. So support, not support. So of course, once you do so, click on the first link, and all you need to do, basically just submit an account recovery ticket. So you'll be able to submit a ticket. Click on tickets, of course, choose your game, whatever you want, and here you'll have to choose a request type. So recover my account, and you'll have to fill in these details like your email address, what platform you were requesting assistance with, regions, and how did you lose your account, the last time you had access to the account, the subject, description, and any attachments. Then click on submit. Of course, you'll have to prove that you own your account. As an example, maybe some old username that you use, the creation date, the first skins that you bought, the region, maybe the IP/location, or any payment history that you made. Make sure to add those in the attachment or description. The more info that you know, the higher the chance that you will be able to change your email using this recovery option. So once you submit, you'll have to wait for Riot response. Usually it will be a few hours to some few days. And if approved, they will let you update, or they will basically let you some updates on the email. And even if they decline, they will answer you on the email that they declined your asking. And that's basically the best way so you can recover your account, or basically change the email without actually having the email anymore. Of course, make sure to do not use any third-party recovery websites or fake hacks/videos. It probably will hijack your accounts, and it's better basically to be safe. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.